Wilfred, Reuters is reporting that Chinese officials say they are lowering their expectations for progress from negotiations on trade with the United States this week. That is because these officials say that goodwill has been damaged from the Commerce Department's blacklisting of 28 Chinese security and technology companies that Commerce alleges is involved in the detention of Muslim minorities in China. We had heard various and sometimes conflicting reports about the impact of that blacklisting on these talks. There were reports this morning that Liu He, the vice premier of China, was still willing to do a partial deal with the U.S., even if he was miffed by the timing of this policy unveil by the Commerce Department. But now Reuters reporting, according to Chinese officials briefed on talks, that Beijing has lowered expectations for progress. Wilf and Courtney.
Kayla, this week is slightly ridiculous in terms of the conflicting messaging that has come out. Remind us, therefore, the exact format and timing of the actual meetings and when we might have something solid out of them in the next couple of days.
Well, it depends on how well or how poorly they go. They are set to begin tomorrow morning. As of now, our expectation is that talks will go through Thursday and through Friday. That being said, in 13 rounds of talks, we've sort of seen it all. We've seen these talks break early when the two sides get frustrated and they feel there's nothing more to talk about. We've seen the talks get called off before they even begin. And in some cases, we have seen these talks result in a meeting in the Oval Office when they feel there is progress, when President Trump wants a press availability, he wants a photo op with himself and the vice premier. We just don't know which one of those this will be quite yet.
Kayla, thank you very much. Mike, initial drop down to about 190 points now, higher on the Dow. Seems to have found a little bit of a floor. So this Reuters headline not taking
every one
the full
of these
wind
now
out
is
of
just kind of an excuse to take your foot off the gas and maybe feather the brake. It's not really defining anybody's investment outlook. It's really about very tactical trading because you think somebody else might trade on the same news. And I think, but within a range. So nothing is breaking us out of the range. We're just kind of trading the same several points back and forth. Yesterday at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, before we got that rush down, we're at 29.22 on the S&P. We're 29.21 right now. We dropped, we came back.